This is a Sano Stereo 50 Concert Master. It's a large, full-size accordion, tone chambered, has lots of different register options, a great big sound, and definitely very nice accordion from the golden age. I'm going to go through the features that it has. I'll play through all the register switches. There's 41 piano keys on the right side, 120 basses. That's pretty standard. And on the right side, you have a mute switch for on and off of a mute, which like mutes the tone a little bit, takes out some of the high overtones. Most people say it makes it sound more mellow. And it's pretty subtle though. And then it has a low reed, 2 middle reeds, and a high reed. So I'm going to go through all the switches. These are the mute switches here. And I'm going to hit the first switch after the mute, which is the bassoon. So here's the bassoon. Okay, the next switch is the accordion switch, which is low and 2 middles. Okay, the next switch is bandoneon, which is low and middle. Next switch, harmonium, which is low, middle, and high. After that, you have the organ switch, which is low and high. After that, you have they're calling it Celeste, which is 2 middle and high. And the 2 middle on this is quite wet, which is kind of cool, because you have it's kind of such a nice jazz and classical box, except for the 2 middle. The 2 middle really makes it like a folk box. So you've got a really nice combination of the two, a lot of versatility. And a lot of kind of different sounds here. And then here is just the 2 middle. Okay, now we have middle high. Next is just the middle, called clarinet. Then we finish with the piccolo reed at the top. And that's the mute on and off. The left side, we have some nice register switches here. Sorry. Okay, that's the topmost switch, the second from the top. Okay, so we had topmost switch, second, here's the third. This one I've heard referred to as a tuba bass because there's no chords. It's just a single low note, which is uncommon for accordions from this period. Usually everything was more than 1 octave of notes, except for the very, very highest register. there. So tuba bass, and you can see when I play the chord buttons, nothing happens. There's no chords there. Okay, so after that one, we have this one. There you go. Okay, that sounds like master switch to me. One more down. That sounds like the, what do you call it? The organ bass. Okay, now down to the bottom. So again, if you listen closely, you'll hear that's just a single reed in the basses. It's not octaves, which is uncommon again for the accordions from this period. And on this switch, we do have chords. Over here. Okay. I think that's the last switch. Oh, no, there's one more switch. Yes, that is the last switch, the final switch.